Today I'm reviewing the Google Pixel 9a with Gemini. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Google Pixel 9a with Gemini is one of the most exciting Android smartphones to hit the market, offering a perfect combination of cutting-edge camera technology, AI-powered features, and long-lasting battery life. Whether you're a content creator, a busy professional, or just someone who loves a reliable phone, the Pixel 9a is built to impress. First, let's talk about the camera system. Google has engineered the Pixel 9 to take breathtaking photos in virtually any condition. With the Pixel camera and AI-powered enhancements, you can capture moments exactly the way you imagine them. Features like macro focus allow you to zoom in on tiny details, whether it's raindrops on a leaf or the texture of a flower, producing professional-looking images with ease. And with AdMe and Best Take, group photos are effortless, automatically selecting the best expressions for everyone in the shot. Coupled with AI photo editing, you can enhance every image, tweak lighting, and adjust colors like a pro, all directly from your phone. Next, let's discuss the battery performance. The Pixel 9a comes with adaptive battery technology, letting it last over 30 hours under normal usage. And if you really need to extend the power, the Extreme Battery Saver can push the runtime up to an incredible 100 hours, ensuring that your phone keeps up with even the busiest schedules. You won't have to worry about running out of juice during work, travel, or long nights out. The Pixel 9a also introduces Gemini, Google's built-in AI assistant. Gemini goes beyond simple voice commands. It can follow along as you switch topics and quickly find information across your Google apps, from Maps and Calendar to Gmail and YouTube Music. Gemini makes multitasking and information retrieval faster and smarter, saving time and simplifying everyday tasks. Durability is another highlight of the Pixel 9a. With IP68 water and dust resistance and a scratch-resistant display, this is the most durable A-series Pixel yet. It's designed to handle drops, spills, and daily wear, giving you peace of mind while using your phone on the go. Security and software support are where the Pixel 9a truly shines. As an unlocked Android 5G smartphone, you can use it with virtually any carrier, from Verizon to T-Mobile or Google Fi. The phone includes 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring it remains secure and up-to-date for years. Features like Pixel Call Assist enhance call clarity and reduce unwanted interruptions, while built-in protections help prevent phishing, scams, and malware. It can even detect car crashes and automatically connect you with emergency services when needed, keeping you safe at all times. Finally, the Pixel 9a offers the freedom of 256 GB storage, giving you plenty of space for apps, photos, videos, and documents. Its obsidian black design is sleek and modern, making it a stylish companion for both business and personal use. In short, the Google Pixel 9a with Gemini is a powerhouse smartphone that balances performance, AI intelligence, and durability. With its stunning camera, long-lasting battery, advanced security, and smart assistant features, it's one of the best unlocked Android phones for 2026, perfect for anyone looking to get the most out of a premium device without compromise.